Hi, so we're going to do another example on graphing rational functions. The first thing that we want to do is we realize that we have an x-intercept, a y-intercept, and an horizontal and vertical asymptote. So let's start with the x-intercept. We want to set the function equal to 0. So this is x minus 4 over x plus 4 equals 0. If I multiply both sides by the denominator, they cancel out, and so I just have x minus 4 equals 0 or x equals 4. So when I set the entire function equal to 0, basically I'm setting the numerator equal to 0. So that was the x-intercept, that is 4. Another way to think of it is that's always going to be the negative b over a. The second one is we want to find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we set the x's equal to 0. So in this case, it was x minus 4 over x plus 4. The x's set equal to 0 crosses them out. That equals a negative 1 for the y-intercept. Now we want to do the asymptotes. To find the vertical asymptote, we want to set the denominator equal to 0. Why is that? If I have any number like 5 divided by 0, that is undefined. And that's also what a slope of a vertical line is. So that's what an asymptote basically is, a place where the graph cannot have a solution. So let's set this equation equal to 0, x minus 4 over 0, right, equals the y, right? When we set that denominator equal to 0, we're basically setting this x plus 4 equal to 0, right? So x is going to equal a negative 4 for the vertical asymptote. And finally, the horizontal asymptote, you can remember that by saying a over c, in this case of x minus 4 over x plus 4. Each of those are 1, so it's just equal to 1. Let's graph it now. We're going to do our horizontal asymptote at 1. So we're going to do our vertical asymptote at negative 4. We're going to do our intercepts. We did our x-intercept at 4. And we're going to do our y-intercept. But we have our y-intercept up here at a negative 1. So basically, you're going to see when we do this graph that we have and remember, we're going to approach each of these dotted lines like this. And then the other one would mirror that up here. Okay, I hope that helped